Dilapha nje ndizothetha nani. Yeah. Kubi bad. I'm here to advise people to not believe everything eyenzeka ku social media. Gents, don't believe everything eyenzeka ku social media. Don't believe everything eyenzeka ku social media, and it's crazy how I became a bear. And yes, they said, boy, don't comment on this. Yeah, well, it will be like izawuphelelwa ngoku, like into nje. Omna ndingilo mntu ndinguye. I can't just let things slide though. You let things just slide because they ngathi ndenze into wrong. Andenzanga next chance. I didn't do nothing. This is why abanye abantwana fike bezibulala, other kids fike bebanjwa ngento abangayenzanga. People are suffering outside. I didn't say there's something wrong with being yourself, being happy, being a happy person. I don't have nothing with LGBT. Sorry, I can't pronounce it. I don't have a problem with that. Those people, I love them. I don't have a problem with them. But it seems by Ngoku, me being closer to Umdu or Lenduka, I made, and funniest thing, some other people did warn me about this. Jensen, people know me. I was just upcoming, doing just funny videos. Yeah, some of us we didn't do acting, chance. Some of us didn't do any things that are like, okay, cool, are great. Yeah, it's hard, chance. But ababandu, that they don't have words, they don't have ilizwi lokuzithethelela if things like these happening. Gents, me personally, you gotta stand up for yourself. Stay on your ground. Don't let these things, these verses, it's nje kuthiwa mamele advice abantu kuthi man, let yeka lento yeke suphendula abantu kakade barongo. You know, I know my truth, but still anathi chance I'll speak to those people abanganalizwi xa kukho messed up things ezenzekayo bengcolisa igama lakho. Boy, one thing I'll speak, and I'll advise people ukuthi if boy now close situation unje, teta boy, don't be afraid of people. I know some other people will be like, Anathi axoka, Anathi is a liar, like what?